Fossestien. The waterfall trail is a hidden gem located along the Gaularfjellet Scenic Route. The 21-kilometer trail features 14 waterfalls and 7 lakes. Curious? Watch this video to find out more. The waterfall trail is located north of the Sognefjord, next to Gaularfjellet. The trail consists of 2 sections. One is 14 kilometers long and runs between Eldalen and Torsnesstølen, alongside the Gaula River. The other is 7 kilometers long and runs from Vik alongside the Rohemdalselva River. This is a different Vik than the one at the Sognefjord. Due to its nature, the waterfall trail is not ideal for a circular route, nor is it practical to walk back on the same path, as this would take a lot of time. Fortunately, the campsite Hov Hyttegrend provides a shuttle service, which runs daily during the summer season. They will take you to the starting point, and you can hike back. There are 2 routes to choose from. The upper route starts at Torsnesstølen, or Lyngstad, and the lower route starts at Eldalen, or Lyngstad. The upper route is above the tree line and has fewer waterfalls. The lower route is in the forest and has more waterfalls. We chose the route from Lyngstad as it has the most waterfalls per kilometer. After a short ride, we began our hike in Lyngstad. As it had rained a lot in the days before, the river was carrying a lot of water, and the waterfalls were very active. The trail is marked with red Fs. For the first kilometer, the trail follows the Gaula River, and then it starts to climb gently. You then pass the first waterfall, Waterfalls. Take care when approaching the edge. The path then continues through the forest until you reach a place where the river has formed a small lake. There is a waterfall at the end of the lake called the Waterfalls. Then, the trail leaves the river behind and follows a stream that originates from the mountains above. We found lots of mushrooms along the path. This part threw us off because it went uphill for quite a while, and we were expecting to cross the stream. After 300 meters, we finally came to a small bridge. Behind it was a small waterfall. Remember to close the gates after passing the bridge. The path then goes downhill until you reach a swamp. There is a raised path over it. This section of the hike is a little quieter. The river and waterfalls are quite loud, which can become tiresome after a while. Then you will reach a gravel road. Follow it. After 250 meters, cross the next stream via the bridge with the gate. As usual, close all gates after passing through them. Shortly afterwards, you will see a sign telling you to follow the trail alongside the stream. At the end of the field, you will find another gate. A herd of intrusive sheep was waiting on the other side. They seemed to enjoy harassing hikers instead of just eating grass, as normal sheep would do. Perhaps they knew that the fårikål season would be here soon. Fårikål is the Norwegian national dish, eaten in autumn. It's a stew of sheep meat and cabbage. After we had shaken off the sheep, we followed a very wet trail and then encountered some cows. They too were giving not the most friendly vibes. We lost the trail due to that, but found it again shortly after. The next waterfall is here. It's a 300-meter long rapid. Then you will reach an area where construction materials are stored and a bridge that crosses the river. Follow the gravel road until you reach the next sign. Shortly afterwards, you will reach the Hov waterfall. You can get close to this one, but be careful as usual. Follow the trail around the Lyngstad lake. The campsite where we started is on the other side of the lake. There are a couple of streams to cross. Some have bridges, and for the others, you will need to jump over the stones. After 600 meters, you will reach a crossroads. Follow the sign for Hov Hyttegrend to get back to the road. The trail here is well defined, with stairs and raised paths. Then we reached the last waterfall of our hike, the Fossestien. There's a modern bridge right above it, which crosses the river. Follow the path until you reach the road. You now have to walk along the road for the final 300 meters. That's it. This hike was 6.3 kilometers long, with an ascent of 222 meters. The estimated hiking time is 2 hours, but allow around 3 hours with breaks. This hike gets the Blue Easy label. You can do this hike from May to October. If you enjoyed this video, watch one of the others shown on the screen.